Yabo. Injalo ayijiki manje. Iphinde futhi. Yazi. Hey. Hey, people are stupid. Stupid. Omunye uyafika ngosimo. Ay, kodwa futhi asikiyeke lokho. Uyabona when you want to discredit or destroy. Yabona mina mayiwaqala umuntu wathi mina kade ngishade no gogo sibanibani. Gogo sibanibani usenje. Oh ugogo sibanibani unje. Mina I've disqualified you into ekhulumayo. I don't give a fuck what you say. You are bitter, angry, and you are trying ukuthi ubulala umsebenzi womunye umuntu. Ukhohlwe ukuthi lo muntu unabantu bakubo abamembethe. Whether bathakathi labo bantu or ababona ayondaba yakho. So as masikhula thiwa kuhlekwe isisho sithi uma ugana endaweni asithi mhlawumbe ushada emndenini banemfene uma befeed ifene yabo ngo12 ebusuku nawe kumele uvuke uyifeed. These are jokes we used to make, very common jokes makuhlekwa kakhulu masakhula ne, but mase khulunywa ngokulapha very few people are able to interact and talk about that. Yabona thina masikhula mina efethu bekithiza ngomekhaya namanje siyakhona. Actually mangithanda one of the days I'll go there and I'll prove it to you. Mangithanda sasikhula dlala amatshe yabona leshandisi le dlala amatshe. I know one of my oldest cousins, female. Ayithanda lethi oh imanzi okutshela manje. Kaya mabili kazo. Izwela kithi kazo. Kaya mabili kaya. She used to like that song. And we would sing it. You will hear me singing a song ethi Upuma gezana nangu magezana ukonkothwa ezinja. That was a song created for me, sung by lezi zangoma lezi at a very tender age. Every other child eyayikhula after me ibiculelwa yimi lelo culo. Nabashana mina mfethu aba over 40 tshela isimanga ngakhe. So I'm engaging in this ngamabomu. Why? Because I'm trying to show you ukuthi ngisho noma kuthiwa sekukhona abantu abahlangene bese bafuna ukubulala lo msebenzi wakho ngoba the whole aim is to destroy. The aim is ukuthi abantu bangakuthembi. Laba abantu subasizile bangabe sabathenga hayi kahle mhlawumbe ugogo ayingeke ugogo lo. They want you to lose credit, to discredit what is being said and what is being done. Kahle, the aim is ukubulala ingelosi yokukhanya. That is why they are attacking unions. They are attacking imishado abantu abazwanayo because they believe in their stupid minds. They think ukuthi into enika amandla ukuthi wena ugane noma wena uganwe. How stupid are you? Enizidomi yazwa manje nganye abantu isuka khona izogana kulomndeni okanye wena uyasuka uzogana kuloya mndeni, and then you think ukuthi isiphiwo sakulo mndeni sihamba nawe ewusangene mfana You are stupid than what you're more stupid than what I think. Stupid idiot. Basuke bekwamukela ukuze wena uzokwazi ukuthi ingane yabo ithi mayichema nawe isuke izokusiza wena Silimandini ukuthi wena Silimandini uzazi wena Silimandini. So the moment you leave that union, ayikho into ohamba nayo kulo muzi ubafice benjalo ubashiya benjalo. Into ezovele yenzeke yofike enye ingane yakomunye umuzi. Guess what? Isuke silungisiwe vele ukuthi wena mawuhamba isuke silungiseleliwe vele. Listen, people are stupid. How many times do I say this? Go to the old videos. Go to my first few videos I posted on this particular channel. Go there. Don't be stupid. Go there. Listen. When I speak about unions, listen. Wake up. Umshado udecidwa nina ningakazwani. Okusho ukuthi it's a decision made by the time nina nizwana kade yakhulunywa lento. That is why kube ngathi it's just easy and simple and easy. That is why, just like how when you guys are going to split or hamba in nani, that decision has been made. So when the mouse nobody, this thing has been prepared fairly. Stupid idiot. Then ucabanga ukuthi uzohamba neziphiwo zabanye omunye acansi mayizoshada enye ingane yabantu bashuthi isiphiwo sakulayo mbuzi izongena kuyena. Stupid idiot. That tells me ukuthi anazi lutho ngemimoya. Fuck all. Kodwa ke ngeke nithwasiswe mina ninogobela. Niphile njalo niyazo.